Hi everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process video for my creative scrapbook. Today I am working with the August main kit, and this gorgeous kit features the Simple Stories, The Little Things collection. I'm also using a sketch from Scrapbook Generations. I'm going to start my layout by cutting 5 strips from different pattern papers. So I am alternating yellow and pink here, trying to keep it not so busy by doing this, as there are lots of colors in this collection and lots of different patterns. These strips are 3/4 of an inch wide, and I am using my square punch to notch each edge, top and bottom, of these strips. Before I go any further on my layout, I want to do some machine stitching on these strips. I am doing some vertical stitching that extends a little bit beyond each of these strips of pattern paper. If you look at the close-ups at the end, you'll see more of the detail of that. I have 3 photos then that I have mounted on 2 different purple pattern papers. The photos on the outside are mounted on a purple grid pattern paper, and the photo in the middle I have popped up on foam tape, and that one is mounted on a really pretty floral purple pattern paper. The 2 outside photos are roughly at the same height, and then the middle one is popped up just a little bit higher to accent it. The main kit comes with tons of options for embellishing. I'm going to start out by picking out my title, and this is the Little Moments foam sticker from that foam sticker sheet. The kit also comes with die-cut ephemera and chipboard stickers. There are really tons of options for embellishing. For this layout, these photos are of my niece, and she's probably 2 years old, not quite 2 years old here, and she is having cotton candy for the very first time. I thought these pictures were so adorable. That cotton candy is bigger than her head, and it was just so cute to see how she was going to eat it. I thought I would go really girly then with my embellishments and try to stick with a bunch of the flowers that are here in the kit, but also some of the lemon ephemera as well. Put a lemon sticker tucked underneath the title there on the left side, along with a chipboard flower to give it a little bit of dimension. And then I'm going to go to the opposite corner and start working on my floral cluster there. The flowers I am picking out here mostly yellow and pink, and so I want to kind of stagger them and not clump all the pink ones together. And so I'm working first by selecting my pink flowers and then leaving a gap between them so that I could add a different color in there. Then, because I had added lemon in the lower left, I thought, okay, I'll put the other lemon, this time a die-cut ephemera piece, in the upper right. I placed a black sticker photo tab on that center photo, this again to accent it, and found a phrase sticker on this sticker sheet that said, "Love this." It was perfect. It fit in the photo tab perfectly. Then I'm going to continue and look for more flowers to put on here. I found a purple one that I could tuck in between the 2 pink flowers I had there, and this one is from the sticker sheet. And using stickers on here and wanting to pop them up to give them dimension, I will put some foam tape behind them and then apply baby powder with a little brush that I have with some baby powder stored in this tube. Works wonderful. I could pop that up then and give it a little bit of dimension. aside from those two pink flowers that are on either side of it. Then I went through and I'm grabbing up some smaller flowers that I could place on the outsides of my clusters. And then I wanted to add another foam sticker underneath my title that says Live Life in Full Bloom. And I added a purple flower sticker here, slightly underneath that on the left side. I knew I wanted to put a lot of butterflies on this layout, also to make it girly, but also because butterflies and flowers just go together. There is a die-cut butterfly I put underneath my title, and another die-cut butterfly I originally had placed on top of my floral cluster on the right, but then there's another purple butterfly on the sticker sheet that I used, and I didn't want my purple butterflies to be on the same side of my layout. I wanted them to be on alternating sides, kind of to give it a little bit more synchronicity. So I moved my yellow butterfly to the left side so that I could have that purple butterfly on the right. I went back with a black marker and I added some dashed lines. They appear trailing behind the butterfly to give my butterflies a little bit of motion. My Creative Scrapbook puts together 4 amazing kits every month. Again, I am using the August main kit. They also have a limited edition kit, a creative kit, and an album kit. During the month of August, my Creative Scrapbook is celebrating 18 years of being in business, and they have tons of giveaways on Facebook and Instagram and on their blogs. Check it out. Thank you so much now for stopping by. Bye-bye now.